Hello, my name is Julie and I come from Shenzhen, China. I am studying Master in Management in Queen's University, Belfast, and I came to UK because I was always interested in British culture. And now I am standing in front of Rideau Hall, the Queen's University, Belfast. And today I would like to introduce you some experience I studied here. So this is where I go to class, and that is a totally new building, and the facility inside are brilliant. Now we're inside of the Queen's University Management School, and that is the reception of our school, and usually we submit our assignment to the reception, and I have to say that Queen's staff help us, particularly our overseas students, a lot. Not only the academic aspect, but also the social life. They make things as convenient as possible to us, and I really enjoy the busy time here. And actually, I'm doing my dissertation in a minute. It is quite challenging, I have to say, but I do enjoy it. Yeah, I like challenge myself. I used to study in INTU for my graduate diploma in 2011, and INTU did help me a lot, not only in the academic aspect, but also helped me adapt a totally brand new environment. In terms of the academic aspect, INTU has diversely well-structured programs for students in different situations. For example, like me, I was studying in management in my graduate diploma in INTU, and it has English lecture and management lecture separately. The English lecture helped me improve my language skills comprehensively in learning, speaking, writing, and reading. Meanwhile, the management lecture did give me a chance to get access to my specialized courses, and I always wondered things must be more difficult if I haven't studied in INTU. Belfast is a lovely city, and I made lots of friends here from different countries, and also I make lots of friends with local people. And local people here are really nice. They are very friendly, they like helping, and they did help me a lot. And Belfast also has a very brilliant view. It is actually an island, and it has the coast view. And in summer days, I will go to the beach to barbecue with my friends, and that is an excellent experience. At last, I want to say thanks INTU, thanks Queen's University. Coming here is the best decision I've ever made in my life.